Commit 30 to 60 minutes every day for a period of 90 days towards working upon your English communication skills. Take the challenge. Start listening to the language. Listen to pieces like conversations, interviews, YouTube, and songs. Avoid listening to news initially. Start listening. When you are listening to the language, pay attention to the ups and downs of the speaker's speech. Learn to imitate that pattern. Refrain from choosing speakers from foreign nationalities initially. Talk to yourself in English. If you think in your native language and translate in English, then you will never be able to develop fluency. It is important to practice thinking in English as much as you can. Practicing different sentence structures really helps in building a strong foundation. Pick up a practice book like Raymond Murphy English Grammar in Use and go through all the sentence structures. When you practice speaking in English, record your voice. You will get to know the areas you need to work upon. Pay attention to those areas and record your voice again. A learning buddy is someone who knows English a little better than you and supports you while you develop your language skills. Practice as much as you can with your learning buddy. Practice your skills in front of the mirror. Then start speaking with people who are your well-wishers and who would not laugh at you if you commit mistakes initially. Once you gain confidence, then start practicing with more people. Practice this affirmation: I am able to speak correctly, confidently and fluently with everyone before you go off to sleep and once you get up, at least 7 times, and spend 5 minutes every day to practice visualization. Once you complete 90 days, reward yourself with something that you cherish. Go for a special dinner, buy something or just pamper yourself in a saloon. Feel free to take up another 90-day challenge.